Susila Demunte and my partner,
Putri Dewi Angelina.
We are students at the University of Riau, majoring in Fisheries Research and Utilization. We are here to discuss issue related to drugs. The reason we discuss this issue is because many people consume drugs, such as adults, teenagers, and even children who consume drugs. What do you think about drugs?
What I think about narcotic is a substance or drug that can cause a decrease or change in consciousness and can cause dependence. If
I am the same as you said, and also drugs have effects such as the balance of the brain being damaged, and drugs has a high level of hallucinations, but drugs also have a positive side as long as they are used appropriately.
drugs count of narcotic, psychotropic substance and NDV substance. Narcotic are substances or drugs that can cause decreased consciousness, reduce pain, and cause dependence. Narcotic are divided into their groups 1, cocaine, marijuana, and heroin. Group 2, marijuana, PTD, and Group 3, codeine.
Psychotropic are substances or drugs that have psychoactive effects on the central nervous system. Divided into 4 groups based on their age, I uses the group to develop therapy chronology without, for example, ecstasy. Group 2 is used for treatment and therapy. For example, amphetamine. Group 3 is used as medicine and therapy. For example, phenobarbital. All. Class 4 is used for treatment, therapy, and scientific development. For example, diazepam and nitrazepam addictive. Substances include substances that have psychoactive effects beyond narcotic and psychotropic substance. Alcohol drinks contain ethyl alcohol with 3 different groups based on ethanol. Content inhalation includes inhalation gases and volatile solvents. Tobacco contains nicotine and is widely used in society.
The effects of drugs can differ based on their effect on before into several groups. The depression group donor reduces the body functional activity, making the user calm, asleep, or even unconscious. Example: opioid, sedative, hypnotic, and tranquilizer. The stimulant group upper stimulates body function, increase work in wholesome, makes user active, fresh, and enthusiastic. Example: amphetamine and cocaine. The halogen groups makes user hallucinate change feelings and thoughts so that they feel disturbed. Example, cannabis drug as can cause mental and behavioral disorders because it affects the neutral and motor system in the brain, disrupting cognitive, affective, past, motor, and social aspect of function. Drug addicts need higher dose over time to feel the same effect because the substance in drug make them passive and cut off the nerves in the brain. Continued depends can make the body aggress and cause an overdose we can lead to death.
People who consume drugs can recover through rehabilitation with stage of examination, detoxification, and stabilization. An examination is carried out by a doctor to determine the level of addiction and side effects. Detoxification involves cleansing toxins by stopping drug as stabilization involves long-term medication, prescriptions, and life planning. Support from those closest to you help in recovery and prepares a return to addiction. Drugs harm society and need prevention efforts. Prevention tips include not using drugs, knowing their negative impacts, choosing good relationships, and participating in positive activities. The importance of good interpersonal relationships with children to prevent drug abuse. Drug abuse is caused by a lack of family attention. Strict government supervision of drug trafficking is needed.
From the topics we have discussed, we can provide advice to people out there to avoid being curious about reading and thinking about the long-term effect of the risks in fraud.
And maintaining friendships by choosing or selecting good friends before making friends, and always adhering to the principle of not consuming drugs.
That's our explanation regarding the issue of drugs. Thank you. Bye bye.